Hello, this is a brief demonstration on the Vehicles and Equipment module and how to manage that within the GovPilot platform. So when I log into the system as an end user, I'll have a tile here greeting me when I log into the system, taking me to my database of vehicles. In this case, I only have one vehicle. You may have 50, 100, however many, you would see the number accordingly. And when you click on that specific tile, you'll have access to all of those vehicles and different pieces of equipment that you're managing. So if you're looking to search for something, if we have a long list here, you can search by any of the department, make, model, plate number, color, whatever the case is, to actually pull up your record. But when you find that specific asset that you're looking for, you could go ahead and open that form. We could see the status of it. We could see how much money we've put into it. We could see which department uses it, and all the pertinent pieces of information, tag number, gas key, any sort of mileage that's been put in, and the inspection date if we need to manage the last time it was serviced and have reminders based upon 30, 60, 90 days after a inspection date has taken place, or a service date. Those can be automatic triggers in the system as well. If I'm the actual driver user of this vehicle, I may want to recommend maintenance on it. My brakes may be squeaky, I may need new tires, I may need an oil change, whatever the case is. I'm actually able to come in and add a maintenance record. Phone number, my email. I'd like to drop it off at the garage on Monday. Description is need an oil change on this. And I could go ahead and save this piece of information. Now the local garage or DPW office that may be processing this can come into the system, access this particular record here, and update it accordingly. So if they search and open this record, they could come to this maintenance piece that's still pending, and they're going to come in and they're going to, let's approve it. We could just write a little comment there, and then we're going to actually do the work on Monday. We can mark those dates accordingly. If you want to also maintain some billing hours and cost as well, if we put that we spent 4 hours on it and this cost us maybe $500 for this specific piece of work, you can do so. If there's a custom note you'd like to put into the person requesting this, you can do so. Otherwise not, and then we could put what we did. And save it. So now we have our additional cost here that we've put on this vehicle with our maintenance request. And so we're starting to aggregate a history here on this specific vehicle. So we could see total on this specific vehicle, we've spent $7,500 in repairs and maintenance so far on it. And should we want to have a specific threshold, once we cross the $20,000 mark, it may make sense to get rid of or auction off. Again, those notifications and triggers can be put in place. So again, for management of all these specific vehicles that a local government has, and maintaining all the work that is being done on it, and aggregating that information into one database with any sort of advanced notifications or reporting that comes with it, this module is designed to accommodate that. Thank you.